Pronouns. This video will teach you about pronouns and how to use them in a sentence. Pronouns are words that can be used instead of nouns, so you don't keep using the same words. For example, Emma studies hard because Emma wants to be successful. In this example, we are repeating the noun Emma. Now let's take a look at an example where we use a pronoun instead. Emma studies hard because she wants to be successful. She is a pronoun that replaces the noun Emma. Let's take a look at some examples of pronouns. He, she, it, you, they, I, we. It's important to understand that pronouns can change. Pronouns can change depending on whether they are doing the action or receiving the action. Let's take a look at an example. I supported him. The pronoun I is doing the action. The pronoun him is receiving the action. Now let's take a look at an example where the roles are reversed. He supported me. The pronoun he is doing the action. The pronoun me is receiving the action. There are also other reasons why pronouns may change. Pronouns can also change depending on the number of people being discussed. In the English language, we have singular pronouns. These are used when talking about one person or thing. We also have plural pronouns. These are used when talking about two or more people or things. These are examples of singular pronouns split into the three categories of doing, receiving, and possession. I, me, mine, or my are singular first-person pronouns. You, your, or yours are singular second-person pronouns. The rest of these are third-person singular pronouns. Here are the plural pronouns used in the English language. We, us, our, or ours are examples of plural first-person pronouns. You or your are examples of plural second-person pronouns. They, them, their or theirs are examples of plural third-person pronouns. Let's take a look at some examples of pronouns used in sentences to further develop our understanding. These books are mine, not yours. We would like to help you. I didn't understand what she said.